Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. In today's video, I want to try and recreate this video that I seen. And it's so crazy because one of you guys commented and you guys were like, hey girl, I want to see, I'll put the comment here. You guys were like, hey, I want to see you recreate that. And I was like, holy we think alike, because I was thinking the same thing. Like once I watched that video of Tati and JLO's makeup artist, I was like, oh, I want to do that. He made her look so freaking good. So I want to recreate that video. I want to do exactly the video that he did. Like I kind of want to do like my own little twist. Look how freaking bomb she looks, you guys. Well, I'll put it here. She looks freaking bomb, where I'm like, oh my god. Oh, like look at her. She just looks like glowy, super pretty, very glowy. Yeah. Of course, layers. I don't have exactly what they're gonna use. I'm gonna do like my own like little twist because we don't have like the stuff, you know.
Usually, so I'm gonna treat you as though we were doing like a video shoot, music video or something like that.
Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna sing for you at the end of this.
Okay. I'm gonna use all-nighter, right?
Okay.
Oh, I do got all-nighter. Girl.
And I'm gonna go in ham. Like I'm gonna use makeup.
You don't use primer?
For what? I don't really.
For what?
Okay, so he doesn't do primer, which I was like, what the hell? Like, really? So, like, really surprised, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go in. He's using all-nighter, and this is Urban Decay all-nighter waterproof concealer, and I'm using the shade Light Warm. And he went in on Tati's face, okay? So let's do this. And let's go in también and do our face. Like, what does he do? He was like down here, right? We are oh my god! I look funny, okay. Okay. Let's continue.
I don't really need
to fill everything in. Wow, this is a look.
I like the contouring and everything to do the work underneath the foundation so you don't.
Okay. That's a lot. I'm kind of scared, but I'm trusting you because you made Tati look so... She's beautiful, but oh my god. It looks so freaking nice. Okay. I've never contoured underneath my foundation, so this is definitely going to be new for me.
See it. Now, this is everybody's like, where do I contour? So this is always the question, right? So
yes.
I bring the light right all the way up to the edge. Sometimes you see really bad nose contour and it looks like they're behind bars. Okay.
Okay, so he brought this all the way down. Anyway, okay. Bring this in a little bit.
A couple brushes. Let's talk about brushes for a second. If we're gonna talk about Jennifer, Jennifer calls this a cat paw.
A cat paw. That's so freaking cute.
Like a cat paw. So anyway, what I like to do with it is just kind of blend it out.
Okay, so we need to find a brush that has like a cat paw, okay? So let me go in with my brush. So my Sona Kashik, it's like a cat paw. And I'm going to, start like blending this in. That's like what he was doing. Definitely for sure, this right here looks super like, pew.
And you can do this on yourself, which is very easy, is I blend it up this way, see? And I got really great new lashes.
I do not look like Tati, okay? Do not look like her. He blended her like a god. All right, so let me go in, and he says the Jaws of Life. So let me go in with a brush that's gonna give me the Jaws of Life effect. So he called this Natural. He didn't say, I believe, what he's using. So I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation, and I am going to grab some product on my Wet n Wild brush, and he goes in like this on her jaw, okay? And he like brings it down. Double chin, where you at? Okay.
It's natural.
It's natural.
But natural.
So cute.
I love that so much.
It's kind of like Chloe and Hoey.
Me too.
Yes. Where's your merch? You need some.
She's pretty. She looks natural, but a little bit more. So she's natural. Now, you need to minimize someone's neck. This is what I do. Bring it into a V.
I don't think my neck needs to be.
No.
This is my area that I don't like.
So bring it into a V. It just looks like I have
What are you doing?
Gaga down there. We gotta watch her ad. Yeah. We have to watch it. So Tati gets that coin. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my jaw because he moved on to her jaw. And okay.
Hey fam.
What's up?
So
All right.
you do makeup differently per shoot, per lighting, like you
Per
really
person.
The first thing I do when I walk in,
look at the lighting.
I walk right to the director and I'm like, well, what are we doing?
Okay, so now we gotta do our nose. Let's go in. I'm gonna get a smaller brush. This one is Morphe M164, and I'm just going to do my nose. He brought her nose contour all the way down abajo, I bet. Like this. He brought it down and like curved it right there. Okay. And then he's contouring her lips now. Let's do the nose. Oh, let's do the lips. That does make a difference. Okay, so he's going in with the foundation. Now, I don't got no Chanel. We will one of these days. But I'm gonna go in with Born This Way foundation. I'm in the shade Warm Beige. I'm trying to see what brush you use. It's like something kind of like this. I don't know. Don't drag me, please. But I think, no sé. But we're going to use something like this. Okay. And then he's like lightly like doing this like right there. Okay, so let's hope that your girl is doing it right, okay? See Jade's little hand? And then he's like bringing it down. So now he's using like a smaller brush. I'm gonna go in with the Luxie 512 brush. So he's going in with a lighter shade like underneath her eye because he doesn't want to like ruin the highlight, the contour and stuff. So he's going in with a lighter shade. So I'm gonna go in with a shade lighter of the foundation. I'm going with a shade lighter and I'm just lightly like buffing it, okay?
Customers,
That's
I bought
super
body blink way back in the day.
I know, it was like in that black pump originally.
And he said to tap around the contour. So just tap it. And I didn't think it was gonna work, but literally like tapping it and like doing kind of like a small like kind of like boof, it definitely is working. It's coming together, but slowly but surely. So the cream blush that I will be using is the ColourPop Super Shock Quarters.
So baby face is in here.
I'm trying to look like you, Jade.
Yeah, where you almost like take it, you don't pull so much, but you do this thing where you like fluff it almost up.
Flick it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I try to do that. Sometimes I get blush on my nose. I'm like, damn.
Okay, I seen that he went in with a little bit concealer right here, bien poquito chiquito. So I'm gonna go in with some concealer as well. And I'm gonna go in with a Maybelline one. I should have went in with the Maybelline one from the get. This is the Maybelline Light Beige. I'm gonna add a little bit. Nope, no, this is mine. I see, okay? And we're just going to use the cat paw and blend that out. Did he blend out her contour, her nose contour? Because I did not see. When the heck did you blend out her nose contour? Okay, so it doesn't show him blending out her nose contour, but I'm going to blend out my nose contour. So I'm just going to go and like lightly blend this all together. So let's go like this. Okay, lightly blend it, bring it down, lightly blend. I'm gonna go in with the one that I trust the most, which is a Pretty Vulgar. This one has not done me wrong.
A lot for highlighters.
Love that.
He went in with a bronzing one. So I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Creations Contour and Highlight. So I'm just gonna contour a little bit because Tati still looks like really pretty and bronzed. I'm just gonna bronze up my face a little bit. So you went with a dry brush and kind of just like married them all together. So y'all better get along and look really nice in my face. And then he goes in with like a palette, like a bunch of like highlighters, and he just like starts meshing them all. I'm gonna use Morphe's fan brush because he used a fan brush. And I'm just going to grab this one, that one, that one. And we're just going to apply it.
Or sun protection.
Oh my god, I'm so shiny. Wow.
Well, we don't have that. We have Pixie Glow. We're gonna use Pixie Glow.
We have all this on there. We're just putting a little bit of highlighter, bronzer situation. Look at that.
Can you come over like every day?
This is fun in a peach lip because I wanted her to
Go in with a bronzer because he went in with like another like really nice bronzer. And this one is Urban Decay Beach Bronze. I've been obsessing over this one, you guys. It's so freaking good. So I'm gonna go in with that and a Wet n Wild brush, and we're just going to kind of like, I'm trying to like mimic his motions, but of course no one has his touch. So I'm just going to try. Okay. He has like a way with like moving the brushes where I'm so jelly because I'm like, how? I'm just marrying everything like he said. I really like how my skin looks right now too. And that Pixie, it really gave me like a really pretty like glow. Okay, so he lined her lips. I'm still like, oh. He lined her lips, and we're gonna go in, and since we already did like that contour, we're just gonna kind of mimic that same thing. Where's my freaking mirror? Okay, and I'm using the LA Color Perfect Precision. This one is Sugar and Spice. You guys know I've been obsessed with this one. And I'm just going to mimic that contour.
Edge.
I'm gonna use something on you today.
Okay.
These are my new palette.
It's kind of like a nudish sort of gloss. This baby right here, this one is the Becca Glow Gloss. This one is in Champagne Cream. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. And then he flicked it up her lip like this. He didn't smear, like he said. He flicked it up. And I can see how that does not disturb the lip contour. Okay. So he's going with more contour. Contour. We gotta be contoured. Okay, I need that brush. He's gonna make me buy his brush, like for real. I want that freaking brush. It's like his brushes I'm like obsessed with. So I'm gonna go back in with the Beauty Creations, and he like is cutting. He's like cutting Tatis right here. Me, I gotta lose a few, so this is helping it look like I don't got a double chin. So whatever we can fake, I'ma take.
Cut.
It's natural.
Again, too strong. You're just gonna grab a little bit of Beyond Beige, which this is again one of my powders.
If it's too strong,
It has shimmer in it.
flick
A
up.
slight amount to it. You can feel how I'm kind of working upwards and going against it. Takes that sharp hardness away.
Okay.
With the powder, it has the right shape, and you just get a lot of mileage out of it.
So
Okay, so it looks like he's using a brown, so I have to add color, and that's why I went in with my Milani. Sorry, I was looking at the viewfinder. I look a little weird, but I feel like once this is all complete, I'm just gonna look like freaking glowy, like, ¿qué pasa? What's up? Okay, so we're just going to pat this over our eyes. So we're gonna go in with the LA Girl, the Nudist eyeshadow palette. And let me see the color. Kind of like a really pretty, it's like a brown, I think. So I'm gonna go in with that color right there. And I'm using the Luxie Small Tapering Blending Brush. And we're just going to, he said he does it like a circle. So we're gonna go in and do kind of like a circle. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that a little bit more. I know he didn't have to blend. He didn't have to switch brushes, but you'll see, okay? So I'm just going to diffuse that a little bit more. Just blend it out a little bit more, just kind of diffuse it. And I'm using a Makeup Check T68 for this. He connected the this to the bottom. Just gonna go with that same color, and we're just gonna grab it from our crease and drag it to over here. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some of this color. It's kind of like a peachy tone color. And I'm gonna apply it on my lid. Okay, so he added highlight underneath her brow bone. That was earlier, and I totally forgot that. So I'm gonna go in back into the Beauty Creations, and we are going to add that underneath. And then we're gonna go with mascara. I am gonna use the L'Oreal mascara. I definitely love how like the face looks glowy. Watch me now. Waiting for tonight. It's not like 100% perfect because of, and I hate how my hair looks in a bun. Like I hate having my hair up because I feel like a boy. Like what's up? Like that's how I feel, like for real. I like doing my hair because I don't like how it looks in the, like I feel like I can't pull it off. Okay, so I feel like everything, like it came together. It looks so nice. My skin looks so like dewy and glowy. Like I definitely recommend for you guys to give it a try. You guys will seriously love the outcome. It's something different. If you guys already contour underneath and then above and then over, let me know down below. I really enjoyed doing this whole process. I even like the whole eye look, something that I normally would do, but I just like it. I think it looks nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like these type of videos, please give me a big thumbs up so that I know, so I can keep putting these sort of videos out for you guys. Please be vocal down below on what you guys would like to see. If you guys like this kind of content, let me know so that I know what to put out for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updating my videos. Te quiero mucho. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.